Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students of class 9th here in online study of mathematics. We all are studying chapter 2 polynomials and our today's topic is factorization, where we will study a specific topic, identities. In our previous videos we studied identity 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are moving ahead with identity number 5. According to identity number 5, x plus y plus z whole square will be equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus 2 into yz plus 2 into zx. It is a square of trinomial. So, how you will learn this identity? इस आइडेंटिटी को लर्न करने के लिए आपको एक स्पेसिफिक मेथड, एक स्पेसिफिक प्रोसीजर जिसको समझना होगा, उसको समझकर इस फॉर्मूले को, इस आइडेंटिटी को लर्न करना इजी हो जाएगा. हाउ? ट्रीट इट एज योर फर्स्ट टर्म, this is your second term and this is your third term. Your first term is x, second term is y, third term is z. So x plus y plus z whole square will be x square. X square means square of first term plus square of second term plus square of third term plus 2 into x into y. 2 into x means first term, y means second term. So 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into third term into first term. Now have a look out its proof. X plus y plus z whole square. We have put x plus y equals to a. So in place of x plus y we have written a, and this trinomial is converted into a binomial. After putting x plus y equals to a, this trinomial has been converted into a binomial, and the square of binomial you already know. This is your identity number 1. According to square of a binomial, we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is your identity 1, which we will apply here. First term a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. You can write second term here and third term here, because for addition operation commutative property holds. You know commutative property, a plus b will be equal to b plus a. 1 plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now our original question was x plus y plus z. In our real question there was nowhere कैपिटल ए नहीं था, तो आंसर में कैपिटल ए कैसे आएगा? नहीं आएगा. जब क्वेश्चन में कैपिटल ए नहीं है तो आंसर में भी कैपिटल ए नहीं होगा. इस लॉजिक को फॉलो करते हुए हमने ए की वैल्यू वापस पुट कर दी, x प्लस वाई. वी हैव रिप्लेस्ड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए, दैट इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई. ए स्क्वायर मीन्स x प्लस वाई होल स्क्वायर plus z square plus 2 into a is equals to x plus y and into z. Now it is again identity 1, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of a we have x, in place of b we have y. So x square plus y square plus 2ab into 2xy plus z square plus 2 will multiply by x and 2 will multiply by y. So it is a multiplication of a binomial with constant. So constant will multiply by both the variables 2x into 2y, and we have multiplication z also. Now a monomial multiply by a binomial again. So z will multiply by 2x and z will multiply by 2y. Rest is same. X square plus y square plus 2xy plus z square plus 2x into z 2xz plus 2y into z 2yz. Now our calculation is completed. We have just write down it in another form so that it will be representable. It is written in a cyclic order. First x, then y, and then z, and after z again x. So first x square plus y square plus z square, then 2xy xy plus 2yz, and then zx. This is known as your cyclic order. CYCLIC, cyclic order. This is the proof of the identity 5. Now we will apply identity 5 to solve few questions of your NCERT book. This is question number 4, first part. We have to expand x plus 2y plus 4z whole square by using appropriate identity. जब हम इस क्वेश्चन को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो क्या हमें मिलता है? It is a square of a trinomial and we knows the square of a trinomial is equals to this identity 5. So we will apply identity 5 here. So according to identity, square of first term is x, so square of x plus square of second term is 2y, so square of 2y. Third term is 4z, this is your third term, so square of third term is 4z whole square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into third term into first term in a cyclic order. Here the cyclic order was x, y, z, and after z it was x. Here your first term is x, then 2y, and then 4z. So first x and y, then 2y and 4z, and then 4z and x. It is your cyclic order. Now we have simplified x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 2 into 2 4 into xy 4xy plus 2 into 2 4 into 4 16 y into z yz plus 2 into 4 8 z into x zx. This is your answer. Next question, 2x minus y plus z whole square. What you will do here? Yes, it is negative minus y, and we know identity 5 as per the positive sign. X is positive, y is positive, z is also positive, means all the terms are positive. Here in our first part all the terms are also positive, so we applied identity 5 here easily. But in second part, first term is positive, second term is negative, and third term is positive. So what we will do? Do we have to learn another identity? क्या हमें एक और आइडेंटिटी लर्न करनी होगी जिसमें मिडिल टर्म माइनस हो और फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म पॉजिटिव? सो आंसर इज नो. We will apply only this identity to solve the second part. What we will do here? 2x is a positive, so we will not change. It will remain as it is. Minus y. The problem is creating this minus y. So we will write this minus y as plus bracket open minus y bracket closed. Small bracket open, small bracket closed. And then plus z whole square. जब हमने माइनस वाई को प्लस माइनस वाई की फॉर्म में लिखा है, कन्वर्ट किया है, तो क्या इससे हमारा ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन चेंज हो गया? नो, हमारा ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन चेंज नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज व्हेन वी सॉल्व इट प्लस माइनस विल बिकम माइनस, सो क्वेश्चन इज बैलेंस्ड. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, हमें क्या फायदा हुआ इसको इस फॉर्म में लिखने से? यस, वी हैव टेकन द एडवांटेज. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई आइडेंटिटी 5 here. First term plus second term plus third term, all the terms are positive and whole square, square of a trinomial. If all the terms are positive and we have to find the square of a trinomial, we can apply identity 5. Now we are in the form, in the situation to apply identity 5 here. Square of first term, square of second term, square of third term, plus 2 multiply first term into second term, plus 2 into second term into third term, plus 2 into third term into second term, and after multiplication 2x whole square will become 4x square, minus y square will be plus y square, plus z square will be plus z square. 2 into 2 4, 4 into xy 4xy, but plus into minus minus, so the final multiplication of this term will be minus 4xy. Now move on to here. 2 multiply minus y multiply z, plus minus minus 2 into y 2yz minus 2yz, and plus 2 into 2 4, z into x zx or xz. So this is your answer. I hope you all are understanding identity 5, which is very important for factorization as well as your chapter 2 polynomials. We have solved two different kind of questions. One where all the signs are positive, and second where one sign is negative. It may happen in few examples you will get 2 minus, or even you will get 3 minus. The question can be of the type x minus y minus z whole square. What you will do here, you will write x plus, here you have to put on square bracket, or you can also put curly brackets, x plus minus y plus minus z curly bracket closed whole square. We have converted two negative signs into main positive signs, so that square of a trinomial will be applicable here. It may have three negative terms, minus x minus y minus z whole square. We can also write it in the form of minus x plus minus y plus minus z whole square, so that square of a trinomial can be applied here with the help of identity 5. In our next videos, we will study identity 6, 7 and 8, and we will do some remaining questions of factorization. Thank you.